Welcome back to our channel everybody. Today we will be learning about irregular verbs. An irregular verb is a verb in which the past tense is not formed by adding the usual ed ending. It includes the base or bare infinitive first, followed by the simple past V2 form and the past participle V3 form. Now let's look at the base form, past simple and past participle forms of these following words. Arise, arose, arisen. Awake, awoke, awoken. Be, was or were and been. Bear, bore and born. The base form is beat, past simple is beat and past participle is beaten. Become, became and become. Begin, past simple is began and past participle is begun. Bend has past simple form as bent and past participle as bent. Bet, bet and bet. Bind has past simple as bound and past participle as bound too. Bite has past simple as bit and past participle as bitten. Bleed, bled, bled. Blow has past simple form as blew and past participle as blown. Break has past simple form as broke and past participle form as broken. Breed, bred, bred. Bring, bought, bought. Can, could, been able. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Cling, clung, clung. Come, came, come. Creep, crept, crept. Deal, dealt, dealt. Dig, dug, dug. Do, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Feed, fed, fed. Fight, fought, fought. Find, found, found. Thank you for watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next part.